Be able to talk to wild animals or to live with wild animals. The last one is impossible to choose. Have a dog as best friend, or have a cat as best friend. Die tomorrow by an elephant or comment your favorite animal. Be a gorilla or be a lion. Fight with a bear, or let the first person that comes up when you click share and then more fight in your place. Fly like an eagle or swim like a shark. Support animal abuse or hit the plus button to be against it. Be chased by a polar bear or by humans.